Ever want to grow a plant in your very own Pokemon-inspired planter? Today, we're 3D printing my favorite Pokemon from start to finish. Let's dive in. First up, the 3D print. We're using the Bamboo Labs P1S and a white ASA filament to bring this Pokemon planter to life. Next, it's time for cleanup. Removing the supports and priming with a fillable sandable primer ensures that the details stay crisp with limited print lines. A bit of sanding also helps smooth out any rough spots, especially around the edges and bottom where the layer lines are most visible. Now for the fun part, painting. A base layer of light mint green helps the rest of the colors pop. For this project, we are going to use 3 shades of green to make our Bulbasaur unique. Taping off his spots and then a couple of layers of acrylic paint with a sponge dappling effect on the darker shades really emphasizes the details of this planter. Next, I use UV resin for a more realistic effect on the eyes. It gives an extra depth that really makes our Bulbasaur come to life. Then, I go over all the outlines again with a black paint pen to make the details clean and crisp. I also touch up the toes and teeth with a white paint pen before allowing the paint to cure and set. Finally, a clear sealant locks everything in. Time to add Bulbasaur's plant. A bit of potting soil, a small succulent, and a light watering make this the perfect Pokemon planter. You can even use different plants to match your favorite variations of Bulbasaur. And there it is, a fully 3D printed Pokemon planter. Ready to bring some life to your space. Let me know which Pokemon design you'd print next. And don't forget to like, follow, and subscribe for more. Links to my other socials, as well as the print file I used, are in the description down below. Thanks!